just a few drills and stretches we can do in our warm-ups, just to open the hips up, which is going to help in our squats and our lifts. Now, first thing we can do is just very simply just go into a lunge, okay? And when I'm in this lunge, shake the side on, I drive my rear knee back and I'm driving my front knee over that foot and sinking my hip straight down. Now this is going to open up that hip for me. If you look from the front on, I drive that knee out and it's going to open this hip that way as well. Okay. Now when I squat, I want to make sure my hips are engaged, my glutes are engaged, my hamstrings are engaged. And I drive that knee out, and that's where my knee wants to be when I'm in my squatting position. So I want to simulate that when I'm doing my stretches now. What I want to do is just shoot my knee straight in front, because that's not how I'm squatting. So I'm going to sit with my chest nice and high, and then from here I can bring myself down onto the floor, and I can manipulate where my hip is. Now from here I can take my hand to my knee and just force my knee out, my chest away from the knee, open my hip up that way. I can also shoot my knee in front slightly, increasing the stretch in the rear. I can bring my elbows to the floor. Notice how I drive my knee straight out still and I keep my elbows close to my heels. I'm not in a position like this. Okay, I keep everything nice and close and over that central line. If that feels good, I can go deeper than that and pull my chest through. And if I'm here and I want to increase that, open my hip up even more, all I have to do is simply rotate my foot outwards, shifting away from the outside of that foot. And now I get nice and deep in that position. If I want to increase this stretch, I can use the band to help me with this. So, what I'm going to do is, the band is set around my knee height. I pull my foot through. I pull that band right round to the bottom of my glute. I then step back and place my knee onto an ab mat. Make sure you've got an ab mat or something on so you don't hurt your knee. And then let the band do the work and just adopt exactly the same position. And now that's going to pull my hip open even more. If I want to increase the stretch, all I have to do is simply increase the strength of the band, or just pull myself further away from that post, increase the tension on the band, and that'll pull me through even deeper into that position. Now, naturally I want to get as open as possible there, okay? What I don't want to do is sit in a position where I'm like so. If I want to develop this stretch and get into my quads as well at the same time, it's very simple. All I have to do is go back down to that stretch where I bring my hip up again, and I pull my heel up to my butt, and then lean into it, driving that front knee over my foot. Okay, drive my front knee over that foot, and pulling my heel up to my butt. Opening up that hip and getting into that quad at the same time. And this is a really nice position sitting, because I can sit and open my shoulders up, it opens my quad up and gets into my hip at the same time.